How to log into Huntington Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Huntington Bank and search for it. Now click on the very first website option, Huntington Bank, open it. With that you will be directed to the official website of bank. Now over here you will find this icon, click on it. With that you will land to the login page. Over here you will find different section. Select the section personal and business and then type in your credentials. Firstly type in your username and then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the username or password, you can click on these options given over here to recover it. Once you fill this, click on the option of login. With that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily log into Huntington Bank online banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.